Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can show off your vehicle in Battle Royale matchmaking page. So what you need to do is click your or tap your Battle Royale page at the left of yours at the right of your screen. This is my Battle Royale matchmaking page. As you can see, this is my tank. You can show it off. So what you need to do first is tap your loadout. There are a lot of options here. So what I want to show you is tap the vehicle camo in here and choose whatever or pick whatever vehicle that you want to showing off. So I want to show off this Jekyll in my BR matchmaking page. Tap the equip and tap this show in BR lobby. Tap back to BR lobby or BR matchmaking. As you can see, this is my vehicle is showing off. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.